cooking! Hello everyone, and welcome to Super Seren's cooking show! Today we're going to be making some out-of-this-world fruit rockets. Did you know that the first rocket was invented in China in 1100 AD and they used them as fireworks? But it wasn't until the 1940s that we tried to get people into space. Before we make anything though, we need to wash our hands. To make your fruit rockets, you will need grapes, a melon, strawberries, blueberries, a butter knife, and Marmite. Oh, Marmite! I like Marmite. For this next bit, you need to make sure a grown-up is there to help. You need to take one strawberry and cut the green head off. Like so. Next, we need to slice up the melon. The melon is going to form the bottom of the rocket. So what you need to do is cut it in half. Then, you place the bottom of the flat side down and slice like so. Now we have to cut the shape into the melon. It needs to be a big triangle. Your melon should look like this. It can also be a tasty snack. Don't eat all of it. When you've cut your triangles out, put them in a bowl and put the rest away in the fridge for later. Next I need to go and get the skewers. Ooh, strawberry. I like strawberries. They won't miss one. Oh, oops. Oh, I better hide. Right, so I've got my skewer. Where did the strawberry go? I'll have to cut another one. There we go. Now comes the most exciting bit, putting together the rocket. So first, you need your triangle of melon, and you need to get your skewer and then very carefully pierce through the middle. Like so. And then slide it to the end of the skewer. This is the bottom of the rocket. Next, you need your grapes and your blueberries, and you're going to do the same with them, one by one. Now you can do this in any pattern you like. I'm using red and green grapes. And a blueberry. Anyone? Oh, must have been my imagination then. Right, blueberry. And then another grape, I think. And then a red grape. And another blueberry. Now, it wouldn't be much of a rocket without the tip. So, going to get your strawberry and put that on top. And there you have it, a fruit skewer that looks exactly like a rocket. Oh, Sloth, was it you? Yes. Would you like a fruit rocket? Yes, please. Here you go. Thank you.